National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of Dixon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Pleasant View, Cheatham, Van Laer, Sladen, and Ashland City. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 13 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.